Once upon a time, amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life, millions of hardworking individuals across the United States found themselves struggling to make ends meet. Inflation was on the rise, wages seemed stagnant, and families worked tirelessly to stay afloat. Amid this landscape, the government stepped forward with a beacon of hope for working-class citizens: the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC. It was a program designed not just to ease financial burdens, but to give people the opportunity to stabilize their lives and secure a brighter future. In the heart of this tale, imagine Sarah, a single mother juggling 2 jobs to support her 2 children. Despite her relentless dedication, her earnings barely covered her family's basic needs. She often worried about unexpected expenses, from school supplies to medical bills, and how she could ever provide her kids with opportunities she herself never had. But Sarah's story wasn't unique. Millions of other Americans shared her struggles, working day and night to provide for their loved ones while grappling with mounting financial pressures. One day, Sarah heard about the Earned Income Tax Credit, a government initiative aimed at providing financial relief to hardworking citizens like her. The program promised up to $8,046 in tax credits for eligible individuals and families, depending on their income and number of dependents. At first, Sarah was skeptical. Could this really be true? Could she finally have some breathing room in her budget? With cautious optimism, she decided to learn more. As Sarah dove into the details, she discovered that the EITC was not just a fleeting promise, but a structured plan to uplift families like hers. The program was tailored to offer varying benefits based on specific criteria. If a taxpayer had no qualified children, they could still receive $649. With one qualifying child, the amount jumped to $4,328. Families with 2 children could claim up to $7,152. And for those with 3 or more children, like Sarah, the maximum benefit reached $8,046. The catch? Sarah needed to meet certain eligibility requirements. To qualify, she had to ensure her income didn't exceed $55,768 as a single filer. She also had to possess a valid Social Security number, avoid filing Form 2555 for foreign earned income, and ensure her investment income stayed below $11,950 for the tax year. Initially, Sarah felt overwhelmed. Filing taxes had always been a daunting task, and now she had to ensure every detail was accurate to access these life-changing benefits. However, she reminded herself that the potential rewards far outweighed the effort. With renewed determination, she meticulously gathered her documents, double-checked her numbers, and filed her tax return electronically to expedite the process. She learned that the IRS aimed to distribute refunds, including the EITC, as early as February 27th, with electronic filers receiving their payments within 21 days. As she submitted her tax return, Sarah felt a mix of hope and anxiety. Would her application go through without issues? Would the funds arrive in time to help her pay off overdue bills and invest in her children's future? Each passing day felt like an eternity. Then, one morning, Sarah woke up to a notification on her phone. The funds had been deposited directly into her bank account. She stared at the screen in disbelief before a wave of relief washed over her. For the first time in years, she felt a sense of financial stability. With the $8,046 from the EITC, she could pay off lingering debts, create a small emergency fund, and enroll her children in extracurricular programs they had always dreamed of joining. The weight on her shoulders began to lift, replaced by a newfound sense of possibility. Sarah's story is just one of millions. In 2023 alone, over 23 million Americans received a collective $57 billion through the EITC program, enabling them to cover essential expenses and support their families. Yet, this financial lifeline wouldn't have been possible without careful planning and attention to detail. The IRS emphasized the importance of filing accurate tax returns, as even minor errors could lead to delays or missed opportunities. For residents across the country, The EITC wasn't just about numbers on a screen. It was about restoring dignity and providing a pathway to a better life. But the journey didn't end with Sarah's success. The program continued to evolve, with updated income limits and criteria to reflect the changing economic landscape. For example, single taxpayers with no children in 2025 could earn up to $18,591 and still qualify, while married couples filing jointly with 3 or more children could earn up to $66,990. These adjustments ensured that the program remained accessible to those who needed it most. As word spread about the EITC, countless others began their own journeys, navigating the complexities of tax forms and eligibility requirements in pursuit of financial relief. They were mothers, fathers, students, and workers from all walks of life, united by a common goal: to provide for their families and build a brighter future. And so, the story of the Earned Income Tax Credit became a testament to the power of targeted government programs. It wasn't just about numbers or policies. It was about real people overcoming real challenges. It was about resilience, hope, and the belief that even in the face of adversity, better days were within reach. If you're one of the millions who may qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit, don't wait. Take the time to review your eligibility, gather your documents, and file your tax return accurately. Remember, this opportunity isn't just about financial relief. It's about empowering yourself and your family to thrive. For more updates on programs like the EITC, FAFSA applications, Social Security, and other vital resources, subscribe now. Stay informed and take control of your financial future. Together, we can navigate the challenges ahead and celebrate the victories to come. Don't forget to like, share, and spread the word to those who might benefit from this information. Your next step toward financial stability could be just a click away.